Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Arina Ahmad, and if you are coming back, I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'm going to do a review on the Bourjois Always Fabulous 24-Hour Extreme Resist Foundation. I got this foundation from Watsons. It's available online and also in store. So if you want to know how this foundation works on top of my skin and also how it applies and all that jazz, keep on watching. So hi guys, so this is my skin condition right now. It's currently having a little bit of breakout and textures around my jawline and also my forehead because I'm currently trying a new skincare line that was sent to me by Style Korean Global. So this is probably the side effect from the skincare because like I said, I'm trying the product and I'm going to review it on my Instagram. So let's prime the face. I'm going to use the Palladio Rice Primer Mattifying and Perfecting. This one has a silicone texture just to have a more smooth canvas before I apply the foundation. So this is what the foundation looks like. It's very pretty. It has a rose gold cap and also a glass bottle. It also has SPF 20 hyaluronic acid. I just noticed that. So it has 30 ml of product in it. It says here 24 hours extreme resist. And let me just read off from the Watson website. It's a life-proof day and night velvet finish, high coverage and perfect care for 24-hour flawless skin, all day hydration because it has hyaluronic acid, skin guards, it has vitamin E as well, a 24-hour extreme resist, stay in place technology with multi-proof benefit. So from the Watson website, it is currently 25% off and you will get this for RM47 and the original price is RM62.90 and has 6 shades in total, which I think it's not enough to cover all the color spectrum or all the skin color that's available in this world, but I hope there's more shades available outside Malaysia. If I'm not mistaken, Bourjois is under the same company as Chanel, so Chanel is a very successful company that should cater to all skin color and not just have less than 10 shades, which is not very relevant at this age. So this is what the cap looks like. It's very neat because it says here open and close, so you have to twist it to get the product out, and I got mine in the shade beige. This is what the shade looks like on my skin. Smell of like fresh flowers, which I don't mind. If I were to choose my foundation online, I always go for anything that has beige, warm beige, golden beige, or anything that leans on the warmer and yellow tone. Okay, this is what the foundation looks like on me right now. I forgot to tell you guys that I'm using a buffing brush because that is how I like to apply my foundation with. I rarely grab for sponges because it requires more time to dampen it up and then it will soak up more product. And so far, I really like how it looks like on my skin. Even though I have so many texture on my skin, it doesn't emphasize it, but obviously it doesn't cover it as well. Full coverage foundation does pigments, but textures any foundation cannot cover. But I really like it. It has a natural finish. It's not matte, it's not dewy as well, it's just in the middle and I really love it. I watched a few reviews of this foundation before I made my purchase, but most of their opinion are very neutral. They don't love it, but they don't hate it as well. It's like an okay foundation for them. And for me, it has a medium or maybe light medium coverage, and it really reminds me of my favorite foundation, which is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. That one has a medium coverage as well. And the shade beige surprisingly matches my skin tone. I thought it's going to be lighter because I just saw online they also have golden beige. I always go for golden beige foundation like my Wet n Wild foundation. Also, this foundation has SPF 20, which is a bonus. Obviously, you need to apply sunscreen as well before foundation. So right now, I'm going to apply concealer, powder, and I'll do the rest of my makeup off camera and I'll be right back. I forgot to switch on my camera, but I already set my face with the Milani translucent light to medium setting powder, make it last setting powder, this powder right here. I already set the face also under the eyes. Everything sticks well on top of the foundation. Nothing clings onto certain spots. Everything sticks well. I'm liking it so far. So now I'm gonna finish off the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, this is the final makeup look. I haven't set my face with a setting spray. Just want to show you guys how it looks with the blusher, highlighter and bronzer. Everything sits well on top of the foundation. I really love the finish of it, and like I said, it cannot cover textures that I have, but I'm happy with the finish that it gives, the coverage. It has a medium coverage, and everything that I use today is all drugstore. And like right now, let's set the face. I'm using Rimmel Insta Fix and Glue setting spray. All of the makeup products that I use today, I will leave the link and the product details in the description box below. So if you are interested with what product I use today, just check on there. So this is what the foundation is looking right now after I set it with the setting spray. I honestly really like the foundation. I have not very high hopes because the review that I watched, they all have a neutral opinion on this foundation, and I should have said this earlier, but I cannot do a longevity test on this foundation because I usually wear my foundation only up to 2 hours, so I don't know how it will work on different skin tone. I have combination skin, dry skin on my outer perimeters, and on the center of my face I am sometimes oily, depend on the weather and depend where I am. So far I really like this foundation, like I said for the millionth time, and I really recommend you guys to try this foundation. It gives that high-end experience. I haven't tried any Chanel or high-end foundation except for what's available in Sephora. So, I think that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. If you love makeup tutorial, makeup review or makeup haul, please consider to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of that on here. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I hope I see you guys in my next video. Bye. Assalamualaikum.